Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will tell you how many RAM slots this laptop has. So to check the number of RAM slots, you have to right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to Performance section, select Memory, and then here you can see the form factor of the RAM slots, which is SODIMM, which means that this laptop uses RAM sticks. And as you can see right here, only one slot is occupied, but generally there are two RAM slots on this laptop, and the RAM memory is replaceable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.